Meaning of divergent.
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 Divergent. Divergent refers to something that is different or deviates from a particular standard, path, or direction. It can also mean having contrasting or opposing views or ideas. When something is divergent, it tends to move away from a common point or becomes increasingly different over time. This term could be used in many fields, such as mathematics, literature, and science. To summarize, divergent essentially describes something that varies significantly from what is expected or usual.